Everyone keeps talking about the same top-rated sewing machines, and honestly, most of them are overhyped. Meanwhile, there are 5 machines out there that quietly outperform all the popular ones, and nobody gives them the credit they deserve. I've tested these myself, and let me tell you, some of the machines people ignore will make your expensive fancy model look weak. Today, we're counting down the top 5 sewing machines that actually deliver real performance, reliability, and value, the ones that should be getting way more attention. Buckle up, because your current idea of the best sewing machine is about to get challenged. Number 5, Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Let's start with the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, and honestly, this one deserves way more credit than it gets. People often write it off as just a basic machine, but the truth is, this thing is a no-nonsense powerhouse disguised as a simple home sewing machine. It's fully mechanical, which in today's world of fancy screens and smart machines is a huge deal. No software to glitch out, no menus to navigate, no error codes that make you feel like you need a PhD to thread a bobbin. You turn a knob, press the pedal, and it does its job. That alone is underrated. But the real story is in the motor. It's about 60% stronger than your average home sewing machine, and you feel it the second you try to push denim, canvas, or even light leather through the needle. And it doesn't slow down. It just hums along like it's made for this exact punishment. The 1100 stitches per minute aren't just a number on the box. They actually hold up under real-world conditions, which is impressive for a machine under $200. Then there's the 23 built-in stitches. Sure, that's not hundreds of options, but do you really need them? You get everything you need for home sewing: straight, zigzag, stretch stitches, and buttonholes. Add in the adjustable presser foot pressure, and it's easy to move from delicate fabrics like chiffon to heavy denim without skipped stitches or frustration. And here's the kicker. This machine is nearly vibration-free, rock-solid, and backed by a 10-year warranty. People underestimate it because it isn't flashy, but the Singer 4423 is literally built to last decades. Mechanical reliability like this in 2026? Rare. This machine deserves more credit for being the kind of dependable workhorse most fancier machines fail to match. Number 4. Brother CS7000X. Next up is the Brother CS7000X, and this is where people start underestimating it too. It's often labeled a beginner-friendly machine, which makes it sound basic, but the truth is, it's quietly sophisticated. This one deserves more credit because it manages to be both accessible and surprisingly capable, which is a rare combo. For starters, you get 70 built-in stitches, including decorative, quilting, and heirloom options. That's more than enough for garments, home decor, beginner quilts, or even a few experimental projects. What's great is the LCD screen actually helps instead of confusing you. You see exactly what stitch you're choosing, adjust length or width on the fly, and never have to guess. The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin work almost flawlessly. Honestly, this should be standard, but a lot of machines at this price make threading a minor battle. The snap-on extension table is another underrated feature. It gives you extra workspace for larger projects like blankets, tote bags, or curtain panels without having to upgrade to an industrial setup. Then there's the precision. At 750 stitches per minute, it's slower than the Singer, but that's a trade-off worth making. Your stitches come out cleaner, quieter, and more controlled. It handles multiple layers of denim, but its real sweet spot is everyday fabrics: cotton, linen, blends, exactly what home sewists deal with. The Brother CS7000X deserves more credit because it's deceptively capable. It looks approachable, but it grows with you. Beginners can learn on it without outgrowing it quickly, and experienced home crafters can still make serious projects without frustration. It's smooth, reliable, and quietly overachieves in a category where people expect mediocrity. Number 3. The Bernette B77. Now this is where things start getting serious, and honestly, it's criminal how much it's underrated. This is a machine for home sewists who want professional-level results without moving to a full industrial setup. It deserves more credit because it bridges the gap between hobby and studio quality sewing perfectly. The star feature is the dual feed system. Fabric feeds evenly from the top and bottom, which means no shifting, no puckering, no surprise stretching. That consistency is something cheaper machines simply can't replicate. Whether you're working with soft silk, layered quilts, or medium-weight fabrics, your stitches stay perfect. It comes loaded with over 500 built-in stitches and 17 one-step buttonholes. But the numbers aren't the highlight. It's the precision and control. Every stitch is consistent, tension is stable, and vibration is minimal. This machine doesn't just look premium, it feels premium while delivering results that you'd expect from a professional sewing environment. The 5-inch full-color touchscreen is surprisingly useful. You can tweak settings live, access the built-in sewing consultant, and make adjustments without guessing. Semi-automatic needle threading, programmable foot control, knee lift, and the included extension table make it easy to work on larger projects with minimal frustration. Here's why it deserves more credit. The Bernette B77 sits in that awkward space between hobbyist and pro, and because of that, it often gets skipped by beginners who think it's overkill and by pros who assume home machines can't compete. In reality, it quietly dominates its niche. If you're serious about sewing at home and want professional-level precision, this machine is a game changer that deserves far more recognition than it gets. Number 2. JUKI TL-2000Qi. The JUKI TL-2000Qi is where home sewing officially gets serious, and it honestly doesn't get nearly enough credit. People see a straight stitch-only machine and immediately dismiss it, but that's missing the point. This thing is a semi-industrial beast built for home users who don't want compromises. It delivers a staggering 1,500 stitches per minute. And yes, that's real-world performance. Every stitch is consistent, tension never wavers, and the speed doesn't come at the expense of control. That kind of precision is usually reserved for industrial machines, but the JUKI somehow packs it into a table-friendly package. Everything about this machine screams durability and efficiency. Foot-activated thread trimmer? Check. Knee lifter? Check. Massive 23-inch extension table? Check. The thing is built almost entirely from metal, so once it's on your table, it stays put. No wobbling, no shaking, no "why is my stitch crooked" moments. It's unapologetically focused on performance. Straight stitches only, yes, but perfect straight stitches every single time, from quilting thick layers to sewing upholstery. The drop feed system for free motion quilting, ultra-bright LEDs, and automatic needle threading all combine to make serious projects feel effortless. If you quilt, sew heavy fabrics, or just want a machine that can handle anything you throw at it without complaint, this deserves more credit than it gets. It's fast, precise, and built to last, the kind of machine you'll wonder why more home sewists haven't discovered yet. Number 1. Janome MC6650. And finally, the crown jewel, the Janome MC6650. This is the machine that sets the standard for what a home sewing machine should be, and honestly, it's criminally underrated. People often get dazzled by flashy names or cheap digital gimmicks, but the MC6650 quietly outperforms almost everything else in real use. This machine hits all the right notes: 170 built-in stitches, 2 alphabets, and a massive 10-inch metal flatbed that gives you a stable, wide workspace. The Superior Feed System Plus ensures smooth fabric movement, no puckering, no dragging, no "why is my quilt ruined" moments. Denim, canvas, quilts, multiple layers, it doesn't just handle them, it dominates them. It runs quietly but with serious torque, which is something few machines balance well. Automatic needle threading, independent bobbin winding, one-touch needle plate conversion, all small conveniences, but they add up to hours of stress-free sewing. The intuitive dials, bright LCD, and 1,000 stitches per minute speed make you feel in complete control while still allowing insane efficiency. The 6 LED lights are subtle but make a huge difference. Goodbye shadows ruining your stitch lines. Everything about this machine screams thoughtfulness, reliability, and durability. Yes, it's not cheap, but when you consider what it delivers, it's worth every cent. This is not just a home sewing machine. It's a tool for serious sewists who want professional-grade results without industrial headaches. The Janome MC6650 absolutely deserves more credit because it quietly combines precision, power, versatility, and reliability in a way almost no other machine does. If you want the ultimate home sewing experience, this is the one to beat. So there you have it, the 5 sewing machines that honestly deserve way more credit than they get. Some are quiet workhorses, some are near professional beasts, but all of them outperform a lot of the machines people rave about online. If you're still using a popular model and wondering why it struggles with thicker fabrics or just doesn't feel right, maybe it's time to give one of these a shot. Drop a comment and tell me, what sewing machine are you using right now? And does it actually live up to the hype? Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more real-world breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.